giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica Trenovec, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back. So today's video, it's randomly days in my life. Yeah, so I went for a birthday party. I also went to visit a friend of mine. I also we went to the playground. So you guys are going to be catching up in all the vlogs, because every event that happened, I did a short videos just to combine all those together to show you guys what we have been up to. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Yeah, this hairband, I got it from a fellow YouTuber that turned to sister, Belinda Strenand. I don't know if you guys have seen her in my videos. So she does, in case you're in Abuja, she does this kind of hair bonnet that can help you to, secure your edges. See, it secures the edges, and it helps to, for you to keep your hair in good shape. Yeah, so yeah, it does not cut, and also it's a nice way to, cover your hair at night, a bonnet to cover your hair at night. So yeah, just go check her out. Yeah guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also, I love you guys. Yeah, thank you also for your massive support. See you guys later. Yeah, keep on watching. Bye. So from here, we're on our way to a birthday party, and baby girl is dressed in yellow, and so my friend's birthday party, so excited to grace the occasion. Her son was clocking 1 year old, and gave my daughter a chance to meet other children. And yeah, I hope you enjoy these random days in our life, just different days in our lives. So this is few days later. I went to visit another friend of mine, and in her home, she invited us to have play date with her son. So I decided to grace the play date occasion. Baby girl is sleeping, and we have arrived, and I was served some amazing. She overfed my stomach. Yeah, so I hope you guys keep on watching. This thing, they see. The image is coming to collect it. Guys, I am happy because they finally brought back our water. Now I can wash in the washing machine. Baby girl is eating. Yes, she's eating Papa's food. Like there's a name he called it. I don't know the name he called. Maybe I'll just write it down so you guys can see it. It's cream and pasta and cheese and all that. No, stay there. This child. Are you happy, Mama? Are you helping Mama to put it inside the washing machine? No, leave it inside now. Don't bring it out. Say, play with your toy. We want to play with building blocks, and she will not stay one place to do this thing. Leave the camera alone. See me up by you. Yes. What is that? So he's playing in the playground. Ball! 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 Ball!
Itu kan kau hadis undang.
No. Ale je mudrá, dá si to k uchu.
Babe, are you crying?
Aj keď som ona ti vravím, že...
That's not good. Babe,
sme sa tady len pochcali smiechom.
babe, are you crying?
No? To na.
Look at what Monachi's son has done to my body. See that one. I see the culprit. This is the culprit. You're laughing. Eh? You are laughing, Chi. You scatter my whole palo and you're laughing. Hmm? So my daughter has gone to bed. Everybody has gone to bed. So I'm just packing the toys and tidying up the parlor. So I'm putting in her toys, putting them back inside her room. I just finished packing until I'm putting them back inside her room. That's what I'm doing here. So guys, this is where I keep her toys, and I'm also arranging her shoe section, and yeah, just putting everything where it's supposed to be here. So thank you all so much for watching. We really appreciate. This is me catching up with some videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new. Turn on the notification bell, like and comment and share. Bye guys.